here is your instant update on the coronavirus in New York City, March 14th, 2020. This morning, Mayor de Blasio confirmed the first death in New York due to severe complications from COVID-19. The patient, an elderly woman with advanced emphysema, was admitted to the hospital last week as one of our first cases and had been in critical condition ever since. The mayor tweeted, "I want to thank the staff of Wyckoff Medical Center for their efforts to save this woman's life and all the medical professionals on the front lines protecting our most vulnerable." On MSNBC this morning, Mayor de Blasio continued to attack the Trump administration's response to this pandemic, saying,
"This is a war-like situation. We're in a wartime scenario with a Mar-a-Lago attitude being used by the federal government, right? It's so laid back. And I don't understand it. And by the way, testing, how about ventilators? Where is the federal government making sure that our hospitals have the ventilators we're going to need? Where is the federal government when it comes to surgical masks, getting them distributed where they need? This is a case for a nationalization, literally a nationalization of crucial factories and industries that could produce the medical supplies to prepare this country for what we need.
Meanwhile, President Trump sidestepped responsibility yesterday for disbanding the White House Pandemic Office, saying,
"We've saved thousands of lives because of the quick closing. And when you say me, I didn't do it. We have a group of people. I could ask perhaps my administration, but I could perhaps ask Tony about that, because I don't know anything about it. I mean, you say we did that. I don't know anything about it.
You don't know about the reorganization that happened at the National Security Council.
It's the administration. Perhaps they do that. You know, people let people go. You used to be with a different newspaper than you are now. You know, things like that happen.
But this was
Please go ahead.
Back in New York, on WCBS News Radio 880, Governor Cuomo confirmed 524 cases in New York State and indicated that just over 20 of those are hospitalized. He again addressed the panic shopping, saying, "I don't know what people are going to do with all of these paper towels." He once again highlighted that we are managing anxiety as much as the virus. Finally, he tried to reassure the public regarding New York's first death, suggesting we keep it in perspective. This was a woman who was over 80 and suffering from emphysema. She would have been at risk if she caught the standard flu, he said. People will get the coronavirus. You can't hermetically seal yourself off from it, and you can't control it. 80% of the people who get it self-resolve. You don't even know you had it. Deep breaths, he suggested. The New York Times is reporting that school attendance plummeted, but Governor Cuomo stood firm on keeping the schools open. Many students receive free meals from the school system, and there is fear that healthcare workers may be unable to show up if their children are not at school. Other trends the New York Times highlighted are wealthy New Yorkers fleeing to their summer homes in the Hamptons or elsewhere, while those left in the city are panic shopping. Rumors continued to swirl Friday that the city would be locked down, but both Mayor de Blasio and Governor Cuomo continue to deny the possibility. Finally, the president says he got tested last night and that the U.S. is updating the travel ban to include the UK and Ireland. Remember that you can get COVID-19 updates sent to your phone by texting COVID to 692-692. If you or anyone you know believes they may have been exposed to coronavirus, please call the New York State Health Hotline at 1-888-364-3065.